I wanted to improve my English at some extent where I can interact with anybody. I wanted to make my
Mhm.
communication well enough so that it can not only help me personally in my life, professionally as well. And this is something you can say is my passion, interacting with people.
Oh,
Everybody
that's great,
brings
Amit.
everybody in this world brings amazing thing about themselves. Whenever I interact with them, they somewhere or other share something amazingly that is not available ubiquitous. Suppose you want to know about somebody. So, hello, am I audible, brother?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are audible to me.
So after 4 p.m. you have a class.
Yes, you are right. My class will start from 4 p.m.
Okay, so don't worry.
8:40.
Before that, I would leave you. It would be like around 15 to maybe approx 15 to 16 minute session. Okay.
It's okay, no issue. Then I can talk to you without any issue.
Mhm. Yeah. So, first of all, a very warm good evening to you. I welcome you on my
Mm.
channel. How
Oh,
are
that's
you?
great. Also, good evening to you.
How are you? How was your day?
Yes, I'm good. Yes, I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. And the last time when you messaged me yesterday that I would like to do a session with you. So at that time I
Mm-hmm.
thought, okay, tomorrow I can do session around maybe 8 p.m. But then I saw your message,
Mm-hmm.
just an hour before that you want to do session between
Mm-hmm.
1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So that is the ideal time for me. At that time, I'm also very, very much free. So you tell me that, what do you do before 1 p.m. and then after 4 p.m.? You are
Yes,
so busy
actually,
person.
yes, I'm doing. Yes, actually, I'm doing both things like studying and working. Currently, I'm pursuing my graduation of last year from Lucknow University, and also I'm working for USA in medical billing department. I'm working the night.
Oh
That's
my
why I'm not
God.
getting time. Yes, bro.
Yeah, hardworking man, hardworking man. I'm going to ask you a lot of
Yes,
question about Lucknow University and all. But before that, I would like you to give your introduction, so that we can know about each other a little bit. So please go with your
yes, you're right.
introduction.
You
Yeah,
can.
yeah. I would
Yes, you
like you
can.
to give your introduction. Would you like to give your
Yes, you
introduction
can.
first?
Yes, I can. Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
please.
Surjit. I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Mhm.
Yes, I'm Surjit. I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I'm pursuing my graduation of last year from Lucknow University, and now I'm living in New Delhi for job purpose. I'm working for USA in medical billing department. That's all
Mhm.
about me.
Okay, nice. So you know
Thanks.
already about me, or should I also give you a brief introduction about me as well?
Yes, you can give me brief introduction about you.
Okay. Okay, nice, Sujit. So my name is Shravan, and I hold a bachelor degree in mathematics. And apart from these, I am currently pursuing my master degree in computer
Mhm.
application. Apart from these, I
Okay.
do run a YouTube channel as well, where I conduct session, I converse with the people and upload on my channel. Um, my hobbies are, listening music, watching podcasts, and interacting with various individual all around the globe. So that's, I think, enough about me. I think, yeah.
Okay, that's great. So just yes, so just I would like to know, may I know that how long you have been working on your YouTube channel?
Yeah. My YouTube channel has been running since a year. It's been a year when I decided to improve my English fluency. I wanted to improve my English at some extent where I can interact with anybody. I wanted to make my
Mhm.
communication well enough so that it can not only help me personally in my life, professionally as well. And this is something you can say is my passion, interacting with people.
Oh,
Everybody
that's great.
brings
Amazing.
everybody in this world brings amazing thing about themselves. Whenever I interact with them, they somewhere or other share something amazingly that is not available ubiquitous. Suppose you want to know about somebody. So
Mhm.
you cannot directly go to them and ask them about their life and what do they do. You cannot ask them, and maybe they are not interested to tell you about. But when you are meeting in a formal way like this, you interact a person, you talk to a person, you try to understand a person. What does he do? Where does he belong from? What is his passion? What is his liking and unliking? Many, many other things,
Mhm.
isn't it?
Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
So it means you are the only student of your post graduation, right?
Yeah, currently I'm pursuing my master degree. Apart from these, I do teach people English speaking, the people who are beginner at this language. I teach them the the grammar part and the core areas of English speaking. How can they improve their language? So I teach them as well. So this is the part-time job you can say. But
Oh, that's great.
yeah, making conversation is something that I do with my passion because I like to do it. That's why I do it. I have done more than like 100 sessions, and this has been
Oh,
done only because you like to do it. And when you like to do something now out of your core of the heart, you do it no matter what. You make out time, you give your heart and soul, and you do it with your all the passion, isn't it?
okay. Okay,
Mhm.
so it means how long you have been teaching these students? Let me know.
Teaching on and off, I think it's been like 1 year. Like for few months I teach some
Okay.
people, and then for few months I was in rest mode because I'm a student and you are also a student, so you can resonate with me that sometimes it's hard enough to whenever our exams
Uh,
are there, so we have to create more focus. So that's why sometimes
so are
mhm.
Mhm. So are you teaching online or offline or both?
Mm,
What the
no, no,
method
no.
of teaching?
Not offline right now. For offline, you need to have an infrastructure and also you need to have a setup, where you can teach. And I don't want to
Yes.
make it my full-time career right now. If I will open an offline institute, it means that I have to go there on the daily basis. I have to put my presence. In online mode, I'm studying
Yes.
as well, and I'm just making out few hours and I teach. So like this, I have some time as well for myself. I can't
Mm-hmm.
forget my personal growth. Online I'm teaching because I do not have much more time. I have to give only 2 to 3 hours. I want to do something, and I think this is something that is the best thing that I can give, service to the
Okay,
people.
that's amazing. That's amazing. Great. Don't let
So
me know how many students you have taught.
will count it on the finger. I think it's like 10 student. And there are many other students as well, who are asking to me, sir, can you give me your class? Can you give me your class? But um, I was a person who is very busy, because my classes timing were like 9:30 to 4:30. After that, I have to have my some own work. So some people wants to take classes at 12 p.m., 1 p.m., or maybe 10 a.m. morning. So at that very moment, I'm not free. I'm free only after 6 p.m. onwards. So some people, according to their timing, I am not available. So that's why
Yes.
I have fewer students nowadays. But it's still, whatever the student I have, they are amazing. Recently, I uploaded one video. It's the a link that I had sent you. Yeah, she's also my student.
Okay, that is you are also that you have sent a link. That is your student, right? This is
Yeah,
your student.
yeah.
Okay, that's great. How long she has learning English by you?
Basically, she is learning English. I think 6 to 7 months, dedicatedly. But uh, I give classes in a group classes where there are free classes as well. There are some students who
Okay.
cannot pay me. There are some students who cannot pay me, but they are enthusiastic learner. They want to learn English really, and they are very eager to learn this
Mm-hmm.
language. They want to represent themselves in English language. So some people who are
Yeah.
really interested to learn this language, they are serious. They are putting their commitment. So I give them free
Mm-hmm.
classes as well. But it's depend on the student
Yes.
whether he really want to learn or not. Okay,
Yes, you are very
you.
great man. You are. Mhm.
Yeah. Would
Yes,
you
you are
like
very
to tell
great
me
man.
something? Yeah.
Yes, go ahead. You can ask.
I would like to know from Lucknow University which course you are pursuing.
Currently, I'm pursuing BA, Bachelor of Arts.
Okay, so you only come to Lucknow University for exam purpose?
Yes, you are right. Yes, you are totally right. Whenever my exam will be start, then I have to go college. Otherwise, there is no requirement on regular basis in my college.
Okay, and how did you get that job?
Yes, like there are so many portals and websites are available.
Mm-hmm.
You can apply over there like LinkedIn, Indeed, Naukri.com. You have to apply over there. Then you are able to find. When you will apply, then HR will be contact you and he will ask some basic question. After that, he will align your interview. If you are able to break your interview, then he will hire you. There is the main process.
So you are doing online work
Yes.
or offline work?
No, it's a remotely work, online, remote job.
Okay, okay, you are doing remotely. So you are doing it by your home?
Yes. No, I'm not able to do work from home because I have been working in this company for last year. For this department, you must have good knowledge, good experience. Then you are able to do work from home. Otherwise, that is too much tough. Nobody can do this work from the starting as a work from home. It will
Okay.
take some time. After that, you are able to do work from home. Otherwise, you cannot.
So did they also provided you some trainings? Did they
Yes,
also provide
they
you
will
training?
provide you some trainings. Also, when you will work at a regular basis, then you are able to know what's going
Mm-hmm.
on, how to work on it, right? For example, if I will ask something related to my job, might be you are not able to explain, right? Because you don't
Yeah.
know that much.
Mm-hmm.
When you will
Mm-hmm.
when you will work in this department, then you will know very well about what the medical
Mm-hmm.
billing, what the coding, what the AR, what the payment posting like that. Because I know before that, before joining this company, I don't know what the medical billing, what the how does it work.
Hmm.
But when I joined this company, then I got to know.
Yeah. So alongside with your bachelor degree, you are also gathering a lot of experience, which would really help you
Yes,
in life further. Mm-hmm.
yes. But I know, unfortunately, that is my not good for me because I'm not able to do. I'm not able to work for Indian. I am working for USA people. So I would like to work for Indian because they are Indian. So I have to do something for our Indian, right? But
Wow.
unfortunately, I'm not able to do something for India. Let's see in future what would be happen.
Amazing, amazing. But if you are working for the USA people, they are paying you.
Yes, I totally agree. But everything, as you know, like everything is not money, bro.
Yeah.
Humanity also matter, right? We are
So you
Indian. We
wa-
have to do something for India, right?
so you want to really
Am I
do
right?
something for our Indian people. Okay. And I hope
Yes,
you
this is
are,
more important for us.
hmm, hmm, definitely
Yes, and
you can do. What are you thinking? I mean, what do you want to do for the Indian people if you will get a chance to do something?
Mhm.
Suppose somebody has a magic and they will give you that magic to you. So what would you like to do for Indian people?
So first of all, my first goal is I will order to my team. You have to give a free education of over the world without any fees. You cannot take any
Wow.
amount by the students. Yes,
You
because
have.
as you know, like when our India will be study better, then India can grow, right? Without study, without education, we cannot grow in our life, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
there are so many people, they are not educated. They don't know what the future, what should I do in this time. They are just wasting time. They are
Mm-hmm.
just wasting their time because they are not educated. They don't know what should I do in future, how to earn money, how to do that, and how to do that. They don't know because they are not able to. They don't have that kind of memory.
Hmm. Hmm. But you
Yes,
are
so I
such a
will
noble
provide
person. Your
free
thought is very
education.
noble. Yeah, your thought is really very noble. But
Thanks.
sometimes India provide education, free education somehow, like primary school, and once you join bachelor degree, they also give you a scholarship. So don't you think sometimes people, or maybe the students, kids, they do not want to go to school. They do not want to do study. So for those people, what would
Yes,
you like to do?
yes, that is a there issue. So I will give some benefit of the I will give to him some other extra benefit. Like for example, if you will pass 10th, then I will provide you a phone. If you will pass
Oh,
12th, then I will give some um, grady. Okay,
yeah,
to students.
yeah.
Yes, then they will teach. They will do so many hard work for that, right? For
Hmm.
example, in previous time, Akhilesh was providing a laptop to students, right?
Hmm.
And also cycle also, right? For the girls cycle, for the boys he was providing the laptop, right? But in this time, Modi is providing phone, right? They are giving some benefit. That's why we are learning something. So I will try to do that. I can do
Yeah.
that. If still they are not able to go study, if they are not they don't want to study, so in that time I will make some teams. You have to go to students home. You have to motivate them. You have to do this. When you will do this and you are able to do this, I will send my team to visit my students.
Wow. So basically, you want
Yes,
to add some motivational factor, so that a
yes,
student
for
can they
study.
study. Hmm. Yeah, that was
Yes,
the good thing, the laptop and tablet, these kind of
yes,
things somehow motivate students, and they
yes,
in this age we want something as a motivational factor to do something. To do something, we want something, if there is something, then we will We would put our
Yes, you're
efforts.
right.
We wanted to do. We as a human being, it's our traits. It's our personality like that. Yeah. So
Yes, you're right.
now let me ask you something about your English language. You are really speaking so
Yes,
nice. How did you learn this language?
yes. Actually, I'm working for USA. I am connecting with the native speaker who belongs to out of country like US, British, Sri Lanka, South Africa, some other countries also. Initially, when I joined this company, I was knowing in that time like how are you, what's your name, where from. I was able to ask only these basic questions. When I joined this company, I used to talk with the natives who belongs to out of country related to my job. Okay, so I'm discussing with them regular basis. That's why I'm able to speak.